Maksudnya tidak ada gambar. Oke, tidak ada gambar. Maksudnya gambar apa ya? Oke, let's see. Let me just share the file first. See if you guys can see this. Okay, check this out. Can you guys see this? Okay, hopefully it works, huh? Okay, good evening, guys. Okay, hold on. All right. Welcome back to our class. Nice to see you guys tonight. Well, let's do the role play. Okay, hopefully the internet is on our side for the night. Okay. All right, so today we continue with chapter 14. Okay. Let's do the role plays. After that, we're gonna continue with the grammar of the chapter, which is about the adjective of comparison. Okay. All right. I need some volunteers. Volunteers. All right, there you go. Okay, I see Nani. Hold on. Okay, Nani. Okay. Hold it. Okay, make sure this one's. Okay. Miss Fanny already. So Mr. Already. Jane already. Okay. Let's see who else. Miss Lily, Annie. Okay, let's see. Okay, I have Miss Lily do mics number 1 until number 4. And then I'll have Annie. You are doing John's number 1 until number 6. And then Nani. Nani, you are doing mics number 5, 6, 7. And then Miss Fanny is doing mics number 8 and Mary number 1 and 2. And then Mr. Amin doing mics number 9, 10, 11. And then Jane is doing John number 11 until 15. And then Miss Lily is doing John's number 7 until 10. And then Miss Fu is doing mics number 15, 16, and 17. And I'll have Rosella doing mics number 12 until 14. All right, perfect. All spots are taken. Now allow me to repeat, okay? Mics number 1 until number 4 is taken care by Miss Lily. Annie is doing John's number 1 until number 6. Mics number 5, 6, 7 is taken care by Nani. Miss Fanny is doing mics number 8 and Mary's number 1 and 2. Mr. Amin is doing mics number 9, 10, 11. Miss Lily is doing John's number 7 until 10. Rosella is doing mics number 12, 13, and 14. Jane is doing John's number 11 until 15. Miss Fu is doing mics. Okay, Miss Wu is doing mics number 15, 16, 17. Okay. Now, allow me to unmute you guys. Okay.
Good evening, Miss Susan.
Good evening, Mr. Amin. Good
Susan.
evening, guys.
Good
Nice
evening,
to hear
Miss.
your voice. Good evening, Miss Fanny. Okay.
Miss.
Good evening, Miss Lily.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening,
Miss
Miss
Susan.
Fu. Hi, Rosella. How's it going, guys? Okay. Annie, are you here? Let me see Annie first, okay? I'm trying to unmute Annie.
Good evening,
Okay.
Miss Susan.
Good evening, Annie. Thank you for joining the conversation. I mean the role play, okay? All right, guys. Everybody already remember your parts, right?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, perfect. Now, time's yours, guys.
Good evening, John.
Good morning, Mike.
Let me take you to your cubicle and then I will give you a tour of our facility. Here is your cubicle, your home away from home. From 8 to 5 every day, John.
Oh, very nice.
Drop your belongings here and let's go.
Okay, I'm ready, Mike.
This Mary over here. She's our senior financial analyst. You will be working with her in the future. Let's go say hi to her.
Okay, number 6.
Mary, this is John. Our department's news edition.
Mary number 1, Miss Fanny.
Welcome aboard, John. I'm very glad to see you. Boy, I was swamped with work the last couple of weeks, but I can see myself going home at a more decent time from now on.
Thank you. I'm very happy to be here. Just let me know whenever you need me. I am glad to be of any assistance.
I'm giving John a tour of our facilities so that he knows his way around here.
See you later, John.
Okay, Mary.
We are now in the finance department. Next to us, on your left, this is accounting department. On your right is the human resources department. Go downstairs and we are in the engineer department. Further down at the end of the highway is the production area. 70% of our merchandise is produced right here in this facility. We also have one smaller manufacturing facility overseas that handles the rest of the production. You will be dealing with Steve, the production manager. I will introduce you to him later because he is in a meeting at the moment. Let's go back to your desk so that we can talk about your duties.
John number 6. Annie. Okay. Okay, number 9. Mike's number 9.
Like
Mr.
I
Amin.
said, like I said during the interview, one of your daily job is to deal with the bank to keep track of our financial resources. Every morning, you will access our account through the internet, get financial information.
John number 7. What's that?
Me?
John number 7 until 10 is Miss Lily.
Oh,
Eh?
see.
Why 2, huh? Okay, I think I wrote it wrong. Oh, what's that, huh? Hold on, okay. Jane is John's number 11 to 15. Okay, hold on, okay. Is it? Let me ask Miss Lily really quick, okay? Miss Lily,
Yes, Miss.
who got John number 7 to 10, huh?
Yes.
Did you who? You get Mike's number 1 to 4? Did you?
Yes, I make it, Miss.
And then John 7 to
1
10?
until 10. Me too.
Oh my god, I was wrong. Okay, sorry. Let me assign that part to Yuki. Is that fine with you? Okay, so Yuki, I'll have you do John's number 7 to 10, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead. Now it's John number 7 here.
Oh yeah. Okay. I should have a login and password, right?
Yes, I will call our bank and inform them you are our new employee. Your next task is to call offices to get other necessary information.
What kind of data do I need to get from our people overseas?
You will need financial data about their current and future project,
Future.
future.
Do they need any information from me?
Yes, you need to work with them on their budgets. You can text or email them the information. If you need to talk to them, call them as soon as you get it. Remember that they are 8 hours ahead of us.
The fax machine and the copier are in the next room, right? I saw them when you around.
Yes, make sure that you create a file for each overseas project. You and I will receive them at the end of every week.
John 11. Jane.
In the beginning, can you review the files with me more often? I just want to make sure that I do my job correctly.
Yes, come see me whenever you have questions.
Thank you.
It
Thank
is
you.
almost the end of November. So your next major task is to help prepare the budget of next year. You will work closely with Mary on the project.
That is a long and tedious task. There will be a lot of calculations and a lot of questions to ask, right?
Yes, so it is better that both of you start working on this project as soon as possible.
I'll get together with Mary soon.
Okay, that should be enough for now. I leave you on your own to get organized.
Thank you, Mike.
Okay, thank you guys. All right. Let's do a review a little bit. Okay, to make sure the pronunciations are right. Okay. Mike's number 8. Quite long to read, right? Okay, so here I need to emphasize on this word. Okay. Let's see this. Production area. Okay, further down at the end of the hallway is the production area. Okay. Then next is production area. Okay. There was Mike's number 8 is Miss Fanny. Let me have Miss Fanny try to repeat that. Okay, let me see where's this. Miss Fanny, let's see. Okay. Okay, let's repeat after me, Miss Fanny. Further
Yes, Miss.
down at the end of the hallway is the production area.
Further down at the end of the hallway is the production area.
Very good. Okay, perfect. Okay, next. Let's check it out on Mike's number 10. Mike's number 10. Okay, pay attention to the task. Your next task. Okay, instead of tax, tax. Okay, tax that's gonna be spell as this. This is tax. Okay, tax, pajak ya, and then this is task. Okay, task is your duties, your job, like that. Okay, tugas. Nah, berbeda ya. So your next task is call overseas to get other necessary information. Okay, that's Mike's number 10. That's Mr. Amin. Let's have Mr. Amin repeat that after me. Okay. Right there he is.
Your next task.
Okay, next
Your
task.
your next task.
Okay, next
Next
task.
task.
Okay,
Task.
so your next task.
Your next task.
Very good. Okay, perfect. So the one here written in red is tax.
Oh, task.
This is okay. The green the underline with the green color here. The green underline is task.
Task. Task.
Task.
Task.
Okay. Perfect. Now the one written in red is tax.
Tax. Tax.
Tax.
Pajak. Tax.
Yes, perfect. Okay, so two different words. Okay, pronunciation different and also the different meaning. All right.
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you, Mr. Amin. All right, let's move on to John number 8. John number 8. Okay, pay attention to the word underline, the blue underline here. Data. What kind of data do I need to get from our people overseas? Data, okay. John number 8. Okay. John number 8 was Yuki. Okay. Let's repeat after me. Data.
Oh, what kind of data?
All right.
Data.
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 Yes, very good.
Data.
Okay.
Oh.
Excellent. Okay, let's move on to Mike's number 15. Next, number 15. All right, the word that we need to pay attention is this. Project. Okay. Project. Project. There you go. You will work closely with Mary on this project. Mike's number 15. Okay, Miss Fu. All
You
right,
will work
repeat after me.
closely.
Project.
Project.
Yes. All right, you may read the whole sentence. You will.
You will work closely with Mary on this project.
Very good. All right. Okay, excellent, guys. Now let's move on to our next lesson for the day, which is about, okay, let me share the different file. Okay, there it is. Hold on. One second. Sharing. Share first. Share. Okay, can you guys see this screen right now? Okay. So today, the grammar that we are going to learn is about the comparative and the superlative adjective. Okay. Jadi di bab ini kita akan mempelajari tentang kata keterangan yang menunjukkan perbandingan antara dua benda dan dan juga superlatif. Superlatif adalah suatu yang menunjukkan yang paling, oke? Dalam bahasa Indonesia kira-kira begitu. Nah, kemudian usually in this comparative adjective we use the word we compare in between two objects, and then in English we usually there is a formula for that. Okay, the subject plus the verb plus the comparative adjective. Okay, we plus the er plus the then and then the object. Okay, this is a mistake. Okay, hold on. er, the adjective, you're gonna add the er there. Okay, plus. Okay, and then there are two kinds, okay, of formula for the comparative. First, if you have only one or two short, if the words that you're gonna compare, the adjective you're going to use as a comparative is short word, okay, contain only one or two of the let me see. Okay, here it's actually it's done on the Okay, here it says here more. Okay, if you only have one or two syllable of the adjective, you just need to add the er. Okay, just like this, we have tall, the comparative is going to be taller because it's only consists of one syllable. Okay. Now jadi kalau kata keterangannya itu hanya terdiri dari satu atau dua suku kata syllable, okay, then we going to add er towards the adjective, okay, towards the end of the adjective. And then if it's more than two, then we are going to use more. Okay, 2, 1 and 2 is going to be like that, er. And then if it's 3 or more, which is going to create longer words with, and then we are going to use the more. Okay, more in on we add the word more in front of the adjective. Okay, and then always remember when the comparative we always see the word than, THAN, dalam bahasa Indonesia daripada, dia lebih besar daripada. Okay, than means daripada. Okay, and then in superlative we just use usually one or two syllable, we add the est, okay, for superlative. And then if it's more two or more syllables, then we're gonna use the most, the most. And then the difference between, also you can pay attention to the superlative and comparative. Comparative always contain the word than, and then superlative always contain the word the most beautiful girl, okay, the most important, the most tangled. Okay, so that's the difference. That's easy. That's only the keys of this comparative and superlative. Okay, let's move on to the exercise to check how much you guys understand that. Okay, and anyway, beside those, we have the irregular, comparative, and superlative forms. Okay, and then like this. Okay, the word the adjective of good, okay, is going to turn into better and best. Good, he is good. He is a better boy than her. Okay, he is the best. Okay, and then bad, worst. Okay, little, less, least, much more, most. Okay, so only a little. Okay, far, further, furthest. Okay, that's the irregular. So we the er and the est doesn't apply to those words. Okay, today's the worst day. Okay, you play tennis better than I do. The sweater is less expensive than that one. Okay, you see this, and then I ran pretty far yesterday, but I ran even further today. Okay, so let's do the exercise. We have exercise 1 here. The tea tastes a bit blah 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 the other. Okay, so first you need to define whether it's a superlative or a comparative. Okay, once you define that, then you can apply the formula, whether you use the er, est, you use more or most, or irregular. That's it. All right, number 1. Let's see. Okay, I see Shirley. She didn't do that. Okay, I'll have Shirley do number 1 for us. Okay.
Okay, hello, Miss Susan.
Hi, Shirley. How's it going?
I'm good. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay.
Okay. This tea tastes a bit bitter than the other.
Very good. Okay. Why do you use a comparative instead of the superlative in this sentence? Can you explain to the
Because
class?
it's called the other. The taste is
Hmm.
compared to the other.
Very good. Okay, I also agree with Shirley, guys. Okay, because there is the word the other. Okay, the other. So look, this T and then this is the other T. So two T. Okay, there are two kind of T. So of course that's so obvious it's going to be comparative. Okay, now since it's a comparative, we're gonna use the number C is gonna be eliminated. We only have number A and B. Then we have the comparative using the then. Okay, now number A, it's the est doesn't go with then. Okay, that's for superlative, so this is wrong, so we only have one number B. Okay, very good, thank you, Shirley. All right, so our answer is B. Okay. Okay, better than. Number 2. She seems blah 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 since she got divorced. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's move on to number 1. All right, let's hear from Mr. Amin.
She seemed more happy since she got divorced.
Okay, which one is the ABC?
B.
B. Okay. Let's see. So the adjective will be happy, right? Now happy. Okay. Now happy, how many syllable in this happy? Okay. Dalam kata happy itu ada berapa suku kata? Happy.
5.
Oh no. Kalau 5 itu hurufnya. How many? Okay.
Oh.
5 alphabets, right?
Suku kata
Nah,
dua,
kalau
dua,
suku
dua.
kata
Dua.
Okay. Now, so we have 2 syllables there. Now, 2, what do we use? Do we use ER or do we use more?
Oh.
Okay.
More happy.
Yes, remember.
More happier.
So, if you have 1 and 2 syllables, you use ER. More than 2, you are going to use more. Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
So, our answer is?
Say it. More happier.
Okay, let me see. Okay, hold on. For comparative, untuk comparative, look at this. Nah, here.
Happier.
For comparative,
Not
we only
more.
have the option to add ER or more. Okay, look.
Happier,
Okay,
happier.
jadi untuk yang comparative itu kata suatu kata yang terdiri dari 1 atau 2 suku kata, kita menambahkan ER. Okay, look. Simpler, happier, busier. But if it's more than 2 syllables, then we are going to use more. Let's say example, more beautiful. These are with the tilt, this tilted and tangled, it's with the ed, so we are going to use more, because we cannot use tilted easier. Okay, that's a different. Okay,
Okay.
or the
Understand.
with the y.
More.
Okay, so we don't use more happier, more cheaper. Okay, we don't use that. That's not the grammarly right. Okay, so we only use er or more,
Happier.
one of them. Yes.
Happier.
Okay, so
Happier.
let's move
AS.
to that. Okay. Okay, hold on. Okay. So, which one is our
She
answer,
seems
Mr.
happier.
Amin?
She seems happier.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes.
Okay.
Very good.
Seems
I also
that she got
agree.
results.
Okay. Hold on. So, now, okay. So let's see. Okay, I'll give you another chance here. Next, okay, the next one. This is a little bit different from number 2. So, okay, later on I'll have Mr. Amin again to make sure you understand. Okay. Now, number 3. Could you please, could you speak blah blah blah, please? I don't understand you. Now, the adjective is going to be slowly. Slowly. Okay, remember I explained earlier, when it's 3 syllables or with the ly, okay, ly, adjective with the ly, then we are going to use the more, okay, for comparison. All right, so let's hear from Miss Lily.
Could you speak?
Now ly, okay.
Slowlier.
Okay, let's check it out. Okay, this is the irregular. Okay. Slowly, yes, there are 2 syllables there, but remember that word is slowly, dengan lambat. Okay, when it ends with the y, for adjective ending the y, ly, actually most of them were ly. Okay, then we are going to use more. Okay. Here. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, let me see. I see. Okay. If the ly, always remember is more slowly, dengan lebih lambat. Kalau bahasa Indonesianya seperti itu. There is if ly we don't use slowly, okay. Okay, hold on. Okay, if I wrote it here. Yes. Okay, sorry guys, I don't think I have it explained on the file, huh? So that's so just remember, okay, when there is ly, we use more, okay, more slowly. Okay, there is no such word of slowlier. Okay, grammarly not correct. Okay, so Miss Lily,
Yes, Miss.
could you which one is our answer?
Could you speak more slowly, please? I don't understand you.
Yes, that sounds good. Okay. All right. So remember, okay, yes, I totally not remember to put that up on that. Okay. All right. So any question, Miss Lily, before I go to the next one?
No, thank you, Miss.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, hopefully the rest of you guys understand. Okay. Also, let's see. Number 4. Choose the 2 correct sentences. Oke. Jadi pilih 2 kalimat yang benar ya. There is one is not right. Oke. First, your car isn't any cheaper than ours. Okay. Now, 2, your car isn't as cheaper as ours. Number 3, your car is not cheaper than ours. Okay. So which one is the correct sentences? Okay, no Michan. Which 2? Okay, actually. All right. Let's hear from Shirley, huh?
Choose the 2 correct sentences. Your car isn't any cheaper than ours, and your car isn't as cheaper as ours.
Okay, so
A and B. The correct sentences
okay, you're
is A
correct,
and
right?
B.
Okay, number A. Okay, let's analyze one by one. Your car isn't any cheaper than ours. Okay, mobilmu tidak isn't any cheaper. Tidak tidak lebih murah dari kami. Oke, maksudnya mobilnya itu juga semahal punya mobil kami. Oke, that's what it means. Oke, that's grammarly correct. Okay, this. Okay, hold on. Okay, there is the word here, cheaper than. Okay, so we have the your car and our car. Okay, we compare. So we have the word cheaper than. Now number B, your car isn't as cheaper as ours. Okay, now remember always when we use the er cheaper, we always use the word than. Okay, because that's comparison. Now when you use the as here, we never use the er. Okay, that's the good thing about English. Okay, there is a fixed formula. Okay, so when you use as, it's gonna be as cheap as ours. Okay, your car isn't as cheap as ours. Okay, so there is no as cheaper as ours. So number B is eliminated, it's not correct. So they wanted 2, so obviously number C is going to be right. Let's check it out. Okay, your car is no cheaper than ours. Okay, the comparison is right, cheaper than and cheaper than. Okay, now in daily conversation, sometimes we use no instead of is not. Okay, your car is no cheaper than ours. Okay, that's verbally, okay, said. Okay, and then writtenly we use your car isn't any cheaper than ours. Okay, so isn't and is no is similar. Okay, so our answer will be number A and B. Sorry, A and C. Okay, the right one. A and C. Okay. Now, Shirley, understand?
I understand, Miss. Thank you.
Perfect. remember, yes. So when we use as and as blah 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 as, okay? We just use the adjective by itself. We don't add anything. As cheap as, okay? As good as. All right? Perfect. Thank you, Sherry. All right, let's move on to number 5. The economy is getting blah blah blah. All right, let's move on to number 5. Let's hear from Miss Fu.
Yes.
All right, so number 5. This is
The-
irregular adjective.
The economy is getting more and more worse.
Okay,
Number
now, now let's analyze first. Okay, now this wars is actually already a comparative. Okay, now comparative here. Let me check. Go up. This wars is a comparative. Now, what is the adjective of wars? Because that's irregular. Nah, kata wars ini sebenarnya adalah sudah menunjukkan perbandingan ya. Untuk kata perbandingan ini, kata sifatnya adalah irregular, comparative, and superlative. Oke, termasuk dalam bentuk kata yang tidak teratur. Oke, let's see. Oke, let's see this example here. We have good. Okay, good. When you use as comparative, you don't use gooder. Okay, we use better. And then superlative, we use the best. Okay, now for bad. Okay, the comparative is worse. It's not better, better. Okay, now superlative is worse. Okay, now, so once you use already better, we never use more better. There is no more worse, more less. No, we just use worse. Okay, let's see. The weather is getting worse. Okay, that's the right one to use the comparative, the irregular comparative. It's not like the weather is getting more worse. That's not correct. Okay, so you just use worse or better. He is better now. Okay, that's grammarly right. Now it's not like he is more better. Okay, that's not right. Okay, Miss Wu got it? Understand that part?
No, Miss.
Okay, like this. Okay, we have this word here. Now, this word. Good, bad, little. Dalam kotak ini adalah kata-kata adjektifnya, diperhatikan adjektifnya ya, oke? We have the word good, bad, little, much, far. Nah, kata-kata ini adalah kata-kata yang mempunyai bentuk komparatif dan superlatif yang irregular. Jadi irregular itu maksudnya dia saat comparative, we don't use the word er or more. Ini harus dihafalkan karena kata yang ini good, bad, little, much, far ini kata comparative and superlatifnya itu berbeda. Sama dengan kita saat menggunakan kata past, irregular past tense and then irregular past participle. Oke. Jadi kalau kata good ini digunakan untuk comparative, we don't use gooder, we use better. Okay, now for the bad, okay, the food is bad. Okay, now for the comparative, this food is worse than that food. Okay, now let's see the example of good. The drink is good. orange juice is better than apple juice. Okay, do you see the difference?
Yes.
Okay, now perfect. Now, so jadi kata-kata ini yang dalam kotak ini, yang dalam adjective ini bentuknya harus tidak mengikuti tidak mengikuti aturan er atau more atau the, okay, untuk comparative and superlative harus dihafalkan karena bentuknya irregular. Alright, you got it that part?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. All right, let's move back to the question. Okay, so we have to memorize for the irregulars, same like when for the verbs, right? Oops. There you go, number. Number 3 already, number 4, number 5. Okay, the economy is getting blah, 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 blah. Number A is not right, okay, because we have that word more and more, right? That's, no. Okay. Number 2, pay attention here. Is that right?
Better.
Better, is it right?
The economy is getting every day better. Yes, Miss.
Okay. So the adjective is going to be bad. Okay. Bad, B-A-D, okay, that's the adjective. Now, for the comparative, the bad is going to work. Hold on, let me write it. Okay, be easier maybe. Okay. Now, bad, when you turns into the comparative, is going to be worse, and then the superlative is the worst. Okay, like that. Okay, there is no such word of this better. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay, so our answer is
C. Worse
yes.
and worse.
Oke, jadi ekonomi ini semakin hari semakin memburuk dan memburuk. Oke, that's what it means. So our answer will be number C. There you go. Okay, before I move on, do you understand this part, right, Miss V? Miss V, sorry. Miss Fu? Yes? Okay, so you just need to memorize for the irregular, okay?
Yeah.
Bad turns into worse and then the worst. Okay,
Worse.
perfect. Thank you. Okay, let's move on to number 6. Okay, hopefully this is gonna make you guys understand and to use the right grammar. Okay, out there people still use a lot of the not correct one. Okay. Number 6, which two sentences mean the same? Okay, Tom is more intelligent than David. David is more intelligent than Tom. Tom isn't as intelligent as Tom. David isn't as intelligent as Tom. Okay. Okay, Rosella, huh? Okay, I'll have Miss Rosella try number 6.
Okay. Which two sentences mean the same? A, Tom is more intelligent than David. And C, David isn't as intelligent as Tom.
Okay, so agree. Okay. Let's try to translate it so the class can understand more.
Okay. A is mean Tom is more intelligent than David. And B, David is more intelligent than Tom is the opposite from
Right.
A. And C,
Okay.
David isn't as intelligent as Tom is the right meaning to A. The same meaning.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So the question here, number 6, find the two sentences that mean the same. Oke. Jadi pertanyaan nomor 6 ini adalah carilah dua kalimat yang mempunyai arti yang sama. Oke. B. Rosella find out that the answer is going to be A and C has the same meaning. Oke, number A. Tom is more intelligent than David. Tom lebih pintar dari David. Oke. So remember, Tom lebih pintar dari David. Okay. Now number C, David isn't as intelligent as Tom. Number C, David tidak sepintar Tom. Okay, that's right, because Tom is more intelligent. Meanwhile, number B is David is more intelligent than Tom. David lebih pintar dari Tom, but in the A is already stated that Tom lebih pintar dari David. Okay, so I also agree. The two sentences that has the same meaning is going to be A and C. Okay, very good. Thank you, Miss Rosella. All right, let's try number 7. I'm trying to do it, blah, 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 as I can. Okay, this. Remember, guys, when you use the word as, blah, 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 as, okay? And then we don't need to use the comparative, okay? As, and as, blah, 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 as, we just use the adjective by itself, okay? Actually, when we, this is a little bit more than the material, okay? So when you use as, blah, 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 as, the adjective is only by itself, okay? The initial adjective without any er or more or the, okay? Let's answer try number 7. Let's hear from Miss Fanny.
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
I'm trying to do it. Blah blah blah. I can. I'm trying to do it as fast as I can. As faster as. Faster as. Miss. As fast as.
Yes. All right. Very good. I also agree with Miss Fanny. Okay. Now, can you try to translate to Indonesian for us, please?
Saya mencoba untuk mengerjakan secepat saya bisa.
Very good. All right. So that's the answer, okay? And also the meaning of that. So remember, guys, like I said, when we use the as, blah, 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 as, we just use the initial adjective, which is fast, okay? Not faster, okay? As fast as I can. All right, very good. Thank you, Miss Penny.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. All right, let me see, okay. Okay. So that's number 7, okay. Now we still have like quite a bit, okay. So let's do it next week, okay, guys. Time already 8:03, okay. Try to read again, okay, and then also analyze the answer that we already done together, okay. and then hopefully it's going to give you more understanding, guys, and then we can try to do the exercise 2 and so on together next week. Okay. All right, so I'll end the class for the night. I'll see you guys next week. All right, so try to review again, okay, guys? Okay, thank you for joining the class, guys. I'll see you guys next week. Okay, meanwhile, stay healthy, be happy, and
Thank you, Miss Susan.
You, Miss
you're
Susan.
Thank you,
welcome.
Miss.